Okay, class, so let's continue with our lesson. When we were talking about...
Hey, what? Can you do me a favor and pass this note?
Not now, I'm trying to pay attention. I have like a C in this class. Bro, come on, it'll be quick. Just take this note and pass it on to... Excuse me, Simon! Huh? Is that a note? What's a note? I don't even know what a note is. Nice job, idiot.
How is this my fault? You were the one passing notes, like...
Let's just see what you have written here. Hey, maybe don't read that. Jalissa, do you like me? Yes or no? Simon, I am absolutely appalled that you would do this in my lecture. Okay, look, I'm sorry. I won't pass notes. Oh, no, this doesn't make me upset. What upsets me is that you're trying to ask her out without knowing how ugly you are.
Wait, she can't say
that.
Duh.
Why would she ruin her image by walking around the school with a literal troll, a gremlin, a troglodyte, a creature? Shame.